In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the blink counter filter on Instagram. Okay, so this is a pretty cool filter and this is how you get it. Once you've launched up Instagram, you want to go ahead and tap on the magnifying glass next to the homepage button. That will take you to your discover page, and then in the search bar, and then you want to tap on accounts and you want to search for that top account right there. It's viniciusfdb. Once you've searched for that, and I'll link that name in the description of this video, go ahead and tap on that name. That will take you to his profile, and then what you want to do is tap on the filters that he has on his profile by tapping on the filters icon in the middle of the screen underneath the story highlights. And then you just want to scroll down until you find the blink counter filter, and you can see it right there at the top on the right hand side. Go ahead and tap on that, and this is the filter in action, and it's going to count how many times you blink, and you can record your video and then send it to your friends on Instagram. And you can save the filter by tapping on that little download button. That will save it to your camera, or you can go ahead and try it from here. And then once you have a video saved from Instagram, you can go ahead and use it on any other social media that you would like. So that is how you get the blink counter game on Instagram. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.